So this morning we're heading over to my Aunt Diane's. She's not my aunt, it's my cousin's place. My parents are there visiting right now. And I'm gonna go make my father cut up some trees. We've loaded up the machine here. We got the new forks on the front. These forks are, you know what? For the 225 bucks they're worth, I got no complaints. They even got these cool little chain pieces in the front, so if you want to chain your logs on before you move them, but that's too much. We don't do that. We just try to balance it on there. Anyways, we're loading up this. We're going to sharpen the chainsaw, and the plan is to cut the trees down, cut them up, load the logs on the trailer, bring them back here, and then we will go back and get the machine, I guess, and also have dinner.
Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break.
So we'll have to, I'm out of gas. We're gonna have to probably mix some more here. So we'll go mix some gas. Trying to get ready here. Make sure she's got oil in her. It does. We will fill it up. I had to buy a new one of these caps. The other one exploded on me. And of course on that day, we also wrecked the chain because we kept going. Gotta finish up sometimes. As you can see, I beat my crap out of my chains. That was actually hard to find. I couldn't find it on Amazon, or I was too scared to buy one that wasn't the right one. Leave these here for now. Let's go mix some gas. So I make mixing gas easy on myself. 5 liters. This is Canada, people. 1 1/4 gallons. 50 to 1. It's 100 milliliters of oil. Still makes this easy for us right here. That other one was full. I run their oil anyways. They give you a whole bunch of it when you buy new weed eaters and stuff too, so. I definitely did have a little bit of gas in there. Well, nothing's gonna change anything. It was mixed anyways. And we fill it up with gas. Makes it easy buying those little 100 milliliter things. Of course, if you wanted to, you could always refill them, but you know what? I just go pick up a 6-pack at the local dealer here, and makes my life easier. 5 liters of gas, 100 milliliters of oil, 50 to 1. Get everything loaded up in the trucks here. Go make sure my boys are out of bed, and we'll get going.
I look like crap.
You look like crap? What does that mean? I'm not even videotaping. Anyways, you guys ready to go?
Yep.
Who we waiting on?
Mom. Like it.
Is that like usual? Oh, she's giving me
She
attitude.
did the sass thing.
She's sassing? Why is she
It's not
sassing?
recording on the side, but she did see her.
No, we're not recording. Let's go, Mama. Got work to do. The boys are hungry.
I thought you said you were hungry.
I'm hungry too.
I'm not hungry. Wow, this is a nice truck. Is this new?
Smells good.
Nice and
buy
clean,
this
eh?
truck?
Grandpa cleaned the truck?
Grandpa did a great job. It smells moldy.
Delete that.
Let go. We're being tailgated by a tractor, though.
They're close, man. I can't even see the lights. Nice to meet you.
Videotape. Here, give it, Dave.
I'm doing it.
Give me here.
No. Hey, I'm videotaping.
Well, we blew a hydraulic line on the tractor. It was Riley's fault. Right up here in the loader. This thing here was loose and pushed up there. I'm sure a stick got it, and well, it was leaking. We can start up and show you, but it'll just spray all over.
It makes it.
Got all our logs loaded up. We got a flat tire here. We're getting her up to 40 PSI now. So we got the one tree down. We got a broken tractor with a hydraulic line down. We have to come back, get the other tree tomorrow. We got this one loaded up. We're gonna go drop it off at
24-year-old truck.
back at home. I'm gonna come back and get my tractor back there and then go home and take some hydraulic lines off it, I guess, but it's always something. But we got quite a bit done here. You think we're gonna make it home with this load? Of course we will. With the boys getting the chains off, they love stacking wood, these two. Wait till we split it. It's like their favorite thing to do.
Log splitter.
You can use the log splitter all day, no problem.
You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good.
I'm gonna die over here. It scared me. It's good to watch you guys work. Don't worry, Biss. How about you guys set those two over up there a little bit? Grab these and set them up here. Instead of leaning them against the trailer, so when we drive out of here, everything's a mess. I got it. I get it.
There's still two more.
You don't have to climb over the side of the truck. We should always do the back, maybe. No, I'm just messing with you.
I knew you were the same.
Somebody's got to give you crap for that.
I'm expecting to be Grandpa, not you.
Yeah, well, Grandpa's not here. I got to give you crap for it. Even like that under the wheel.
I'll come back to you.
What's that? Yeah, exactly, yeah. Get that off the back, let's go get the tractor. Not a bad pile of wood for 3 hours work, boys. It's got a long way to go, but that's pretty good.
Bigger than this coming.
Well, we got a whole nother tree to do still, but we broke the tractor, so we will, are you coming back to get the tractor, Aiden, or no? Back at home. Unhooked the trailer. Left the tractor on there because, well, straight up, we're going to pull the hydraulic line right now that we blew. And leave it on the trailer because we got to go back and get some more. So let's get that hydraulic line on. Teaching Riley how to do some stuff today, so. So undo the one up at the cylinder. What's that?
Will it not just spill everywhere once we undo it?
Well, no, there's no pressure on it. It's a.
Okay.
Hey?
I need to go down.
There you go. Now you're tightening it. Loosen it, would you? There you go. There you go. You got a hand tight now. There we go. Trace this one down here. Now
This one.
yeah, but right at the bottom of that, Riley. Right there at the bottom of this, we got to undo to take that cover off. So what we got under there. Okay, give me the. I can't quite see it. I can see it in the camera. I can't tell the size. Right, you're gonna have to go back in and get us a 9/16 or half inch.
9/16.
Give me a 9/16 and a half inch.
Both?
Yeah, because I might be wrong. Okay, same drawer. If not, hey, also, yeah, a 13 or a 14.
9/16 and a half inch?
Just, yeah, 9/16 and a half, which is the same as a, well, you know. Yeah, there's my chicken. Hey, honey. Oh, little chicken. Oh, little chicken. Come here, little chicken. My dogs are going crazy. Pet me, screw the chicken. Mine'll be good. There's always something that breaks. We should take this wood off the front here. We had two pieces we couldn't fit on the trailer. We figured we threw them on here, train them down so we can get them off. We actually use this to load, even though we couldn't use the bucket operations on it. Here he comes. You know the one to undo? Lay down on that side, I'm gonna show you. Right down the bottom of that plate, there's like a long nut there. Yep, you're touching it right there.
Oh, I feel it. Which one?
I think it's 9/16. I can see it better in the camera. I can't hardly even see under there. It'd be nice if we take this chain off the front here, right? Oh, look at that. That doesn't even want to go on there because there's no room to put it on there. No, don't undo that one. Just the, oh, we'd have, no, you can leave that one up, can't you?
Yeah, I guess we can.
Right, give me the half inch. I can't reach it. Thank you. All right, we got this coming here. That isn't a, right, I got it here. Hold on.
We're gonna need it off.
We're gonna need that off to get the wood off anyway. I don't know if that's spinning on the other side, I guess not. There we go, so we got that out, which should allow, and it is working. Take this cover off. Okay, Riley. A little dusty in there. So which one are we leaking from here? This is our bad one. Coming down.
Wow, it really sank into the wood there.
There, Riley. There's the one you can undo right there. I'll hold this. I'll hold this if you undo it when you're done over there. Grab this 19 mil right here in front of me. This wrench, yeah. And you can undo this one right here. Okay.
And this way?
Towards you. There we go, we got it.
Okay.
See, once you get it, that's those are nice fittings.
Ooh.
Yeah, we're gonna lose a little oil there. Let's unfeed this line through here, right? That end of that line is chewed up. Look at that. I don't know how that got so bad, to be honest with you.
So now we just bring this to
I just bring this to them and they make us a new one of these. Well, we didn't film much on day 2. We got the hydraulic line put back on the tractor. I had a meeting in Waterford, which is Jacksonville. Anyways, there's lots of little villas around here. We definitely kicked some butt today on a tree. We got trees laying everywhere in here. I've been out here trying to chop them all up. 2 full trailer loads today. Trailer full yesterday. I have been splitting. You can see we've been piling a little bit over there. I finished off that pile, started another one over here. We got a lot to do in here. It's looking good. Feels good to work. My boys helped me out pretty good today. Aiden apparently is allergic to something that's on the that's on the trees, the moss or something like that. But he definitely rashed out in his belly. Thanks for watching, everybody. Some maintenance videos coming up soon. See you next time.